Hi, welcome back to BitWise, your simple learning in the crypto galaxy. Have you heard of DEX, decentralized exchange, Uniswap, or UNI token? In your crypto community, you wonder and try to understand what is that? Well, you're on the right space station. Today, we will discuss that and help you understand better. Do support us by subscribe, like and share, thank you. Imagine you are a farmer in your grandparents' time. You farm rambutans and you can do a lot with rambutan. You can make rambutan pudding or ice cream, a lot of useful and tasty things. However, because you're a rambutan farmer and wish to try something else, so you're wanting a durian to enjoy. Now, remember this is a century ago. So how are you going to get that durian? Well, you know a friend who farms durians, so you make the trip over to his farm and you ask him if you can have some of his durians if you'll share some of your rambutan. He kindly agrees since he's also sick of durians, and you guys make the trade. Now there was no intermediary, there were no fees, no taxes, you didn't have to show them your driver's license or anything, you just traded a raw material with someone else. Now let's fast forward to about 10 years ago. Let's say you grew rambutan in your backyard and you decided that you wanted a durian. How? I would try to sell my rambutan for some cash in something kind of like a marketplace, then I'd walk to my local grocery store and use my new cash to buy durian. The cash is used as a currency, unlike what we had before. Cash doesn't go bad, but rambutan do, so you decide to sell all your rambutan as quickly as you can so that you can save up cash to buy durians whenever you want, or any favorite fruits. So what do they increase their fees? They know that you can't go to the other side of the world to really any other fruit for that matter, even if it's grown on the other side of the world. In fact, you can pay a small fee for almost any fruit that you want at your local grocery store. In this scenario, now we are using a currency to trade something to meet in the middle, so we don't actually have to go to that durian or rambutan farmer and we don't have to have a conversation with them. So we can buy them whenever we want, and very easily we pay the supermarket a fee so that they can stay in business and so that they have a reason to keep stock for us. So now we're using currencies and paying fees, but at least it's seeming to make our life a little easier with a little bit more variety. As time goes on, the supermarket wants to make more money by increasing their fees. The supermarket knows you can't go to the other side of the world to talk to farmers, so they can charge almost whatever they want. Well, that was a pretty long intro, but let's bring it back to Uniswap. Imagine you wanted to find that original durian farmer and trade your rambutan with him again, so that way you avoid having to switch your rambutan to cash and then cash to durian, so you don't have to pay the fee. Well, this is basically what Uniswap is. The Uniswap exchange lets you swap any Ethereum token for any other Ethereum token and you pay a very small fee. It does this by essentially being the grocery store but without cash. See, instead, you give them your rambutan and they immediately give you the durian. So how do they do this? Well, they keep a very large bin in the back with a ton of durians and rambutan so that anyone who wants to can make a trade. If someone comes in and buys a ton of durians, so there are not very many durians left in the bin, then the grocery store just starts charging more rambutan for each durian. They'll make you pay 2 or more kilograms of rambutan for each durian till some restock the supply of durians. Let's say your rambutan is Ethereum and the durian that you want to buy is Chainlink, which is actually a pretty popular Ethereum token when you give the grocery store, which is Uniswap. In this case, your Ethereum gives you a fair market price of Chainlink. Now after you're done, the price of Chainlink rises because there's less of it since you bought it, and the price of Ethereum drops because there's more of it since you sold it to them. It's basic supply and demand within the grocery store, but this is Uniswap, so the next guy that comes along and wants to trade will have to buy Chainlink at a higher price or sell some Ethereum at a higher price. In some cases, a trader may be able to buy Ethereum for 2,000 ringgit at Luno and sell it to Uniswap for 2,050 ringgit, making a profit, even though what they're actually doing is just evening out this liquidity pool. That way Uniswap or the grocery store has an even amount of rambutans and durians or Ethereum and Chainlink. Now, this is essentially what an automated market maker is, but we have a whole video on that, or we will, so you should subscribe to see it soon. This also begs the question, where is all of that Ethereum and Chainlink coming from in the first place? Well, it's time to bring out some technical terms. First, in this analogy, the grocery store in Uniswap is actually called a liquidity pool. Now, there's a pool of Ethereum and Chainlink with a ton of coins of each of them, and the prices of each are such that as more of one is traded up, the other is traded down. Secondly, we call the place where the coins come from liquidity providers because they provide the initial liquid assets to the pool. In fact, you can become a liquidity provider very easily. You just have to give your money and your tokens to the Uniswap pool. Boom, you're what they call an LP, but why would you want to be an LP? Well, remember when I said there was a very small fee to trade on Uniswap? That fee doesn't go to the government, it doesn't go to Uniswap, but it actually goes to the actual investors of Uniswap, the liquidity providers LP. That way we can reward them for allowing us to do quick swaps of our coins even if the fee is 0.3% for each trade. If there are 10 trades using your coins a day for a whole month, that's 9% a month, which is 108% ROI for any liquidity provider, which is 108% return on your investment. Now, you should know there are two main uses for Uniswap. First, you could be a token swapper and change your Ethereum for Chainlink for only 0.03%, which maybe you want to do. In fact, Uniswap currently has over $1 billion of trading volume each day, or you could be a liquidity provider and earn a return on your investment by lending it to the pool. Right now, there are $9 billion in all of the pools that Uniswap has. This is the foundation of what Uniswap is. You should know that it's also all code, it's just being run by servers, there are no regulations on it, there are no taxes, technically, there's not even someone to stop it if they wanted to, someone could just start another server and run the program. It functions like a foreign bank, allowing you to change your ringgit to US dollars, then to Chinese yuan, then the euro, but it's also decentralized. So there's super low fees and absolutely no taxes. See, if Uniswap exchange did not exist, you would have to sell your Ethereum, then you'd have to find an exchange that allows you to buy Chainlink, and not all exchanges have both of these, so you might have to change from one exchange to another exchange. Uniswap solves a big problem. So far in this video, I have been talking about the Uniswap exchange, the decentralized application that allows you to swap Ethereum tokens at uniswap.org. Now, you should know that there's also a Uniswap token and Ethereum token that represents the decentralized application. The Uniswap token is created hand in hand with the Uniswap exchange when you buy the Uniswap token. Right now, you really can't do anything with it, but down the road token holders should be able to make votes on specific changes on the exchange. For example, since I said nobody controls it, technically it's code, and token holders could agree to change something if they wanted to. So if you hold a bunch of Uniswap and wanted to raise the trading price from 0.3% to 0.6%. In fact, doubling the fee theoretically, you could vote on that, but right now they haven't implemented a voting system. The token does represent the exchange, and the exchange is very valuable and has a very useful purpose. Another reason for owning the Uniswap token is that one day a percentage of all the trades happening might go to the Uniswap token holders as well, basically earning them passive income. We want you to have all the facts before making any financial decisions. I hope you have enjoyed this learning and hopefully learned a little bit about this booming new technology and the decentralized application called Uniswap. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and also don't forget to subscribe for future videos. We are working very hard to write, narrate and animate these videos. Thank you for watching till the end. Yes, you guessed right, the next video is about Chainlink. We also have some great news. Want to buy some Uniswap, UNI and Chainlink, Link tokens? Luno has just launched both of them and we have a special bonus for you. If you're also interested in investing in cryptocurrencies and owning a piece of the future of money, I have good news for you. All you need to do is download the Luno app. Luno is the first cryptocurrency exchange to get licensed and regulated in Malaysia by the Securities Commission, so you're safe to use it. Once you have downloaded it, go to the rewards section and type this unique reward code, NUB8XT. Once you do that, you can deposit and buy cryptocurrency. Limited time Luno promotion, purchase a minimum of 100 ringgit of any cryptocurrency, and you will receive a 25 ringgit reward of Bitcoin. You can also enjoy a lower launching fee for new UNI and Link. I will leave a link also in the below description. Once again, a quick disclaimer that nothing in this video shall constitute financial advice. You are responsible for your own financial choices.